Hi, my dears. Good morning. Welcome to today's talk about Brave lattice. Not Bravias, Brave lattice. Let's see what is mean by Brave lattice. In previous session, we discussed about crystal structure, crystal parameters, and its some of the cubic structures we discussed from the previous session. Today we are going to talk about what is Bravell lattice and what are its cubic or other structures. Let's see. The 14 possible three-dimensional configurations of points used to describe the orderly arrangement of atoms in a crystal is called Bravell lattice. What is Bravell lattice? Actually, it is used to describe the orderly arrangement of atoms in crystal. What is orderly arrangement of atoms in crystal? Actually, crystal is a three-dimensional body where the atoms are in a repeating pattern. Here, some of the lattice points are there. The lattice points are used to make 14 possible three-dimensional structures. 14 possible three-dimensional structures. The 14 possible three-dimensional structures which are coming from seven crystal structures or which are derived from seven crystal structures are nothing but Bravais lattices. Here, the seven crystal systems are classified into 14 forms of three dimensional structures. So, the 14 forms of three dimensional structures are called Bravais lattice. So, the Bravais lattice, the scientist name is what? French scientist Auguste Bravais introduced this concept, hence, the structures of three dimensional is called Bravais lattices. How many Bravais lattices? There are 14 Bravais lattices. The 14 Bravais lattices are comes from seven crystal systems. Seven crystal systems are classified into 14 three-dimensional structures. It was this concept was introduced by Bravais, so it is called Bravais lattices. Let's see what are the seven systems. The seven systems, one is the cubic, the other one is orthorhombic, third one is tetragonal, fourth one is monoclinic, fifth one is triclinic, sixth one is rhombohedral, and last seventh one is hexagonal system. So here these seven systems are classified into 14 forms. This concept was introduced by Bravais, then it is called Bravais lattices. Okay, let's see what is cubic system. In Bravais lattices with cubic system, these are the following properties. So here the seven crystal systems based on parameters ABC and interaxial or interfacial angle of alpha, beta, gamma classified into 14 forms. So what is the major concept to? The major basis is about the parameters of ABC and interfacial or interaxial angles alpha, beta, gamma. Based on these characteristics, the seven crystal systems are changed into 14 forms. Let's see, in cubic system, the parameters of ABC, A equal to B, B equal to C. That means parameters ABC must be equal. And similarly, the interfacial or angles, interaxial angles are interfacial angle or interaxial angles of alpha, beta, gamma must be equal, and they must be equal to 90 degrees. So A is equal to B, B equal to C. Similarly, alpha equal to B, beta equal to gamma, gamma equal to 90 degrees. So these conditions must be possessed to define a system as cubic. So here A equal to B, B equal to C. Similarly, alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, gamma equal to 90 degrees. So these are the characteristics of cubic system. Again, cubic system is classified into three dimensional lattices. One is primitive, body center, and face center. Primitive, body center, face center. Cubic system. The first cubic system is changed into three Brave lattices. Three Brave lattices. What are the examples of cubic system? The example of cubic system is diamond. Which element will exhibit this characteristic? Diamond, gold, silver will exhibit the figures we drawn taken from the Google search. So that is diamond, gold, silver will possess this characteristic. Many elements are there, but I took only these three elements: diamond, gold, and silver will exhibit the cubic system nature. Let's move. The second one. The second one is orthorhombic system. In the orthorhombic system, alpha, beta, gamma, the interfacial angles or interaxial angles of alpha, beta, gamma are equal, and they are also equal to 90 degrees. Alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, gamma equal to 90. So the angles are equal to each other, and they are also equal to 90 degrees. But the parameters of A, B, C are not equal. The parameters of A, B, C are not equal. Only alpha, beta, gamma are equal to each other, and they are also equal to 90 degrees. But the parameters of A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So this is about the orthorhombic. Again, the orthorhombic is classified into four lattices. How many lattices? Four Brave lattices. So the four Brave lattices is what? Primitive, base center, that means side one, base center, face center, body center. So here the orthorhombic is changed into four more characteristics of Brave lattices. So this is about the Brave lattices. So in the Brave lattices, so what are the examples of Brave lattice? The example of Brave lattice is a rhombic prism, pyramids, and double pyramids. See the figure: rhombic prisms, pyramids, and double pyramids are the examples of the this above structure of orthorhombic. Let's move to the third one. The third one is tetragonal system. What is that one? Tetragonal system. So as usual in tetragonal system, again the interfacial and interaxial angles of alpha, beta, gamma are equal to each other. At the same time, their angle is equal to 90 degrees. That means alpha is equal to 90, beta is equal to 90, gamma also equal to 90. But the thing is that what is the difference? The difference is about the interparameters, that is the parameters of A, B, C. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. That means the parameters of A and B equal, but it's not they are not equal to C. So this is about the tetragonal. Only alpha, beta, gamma equal, and they are equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, the parameters of A and B equal, but not equal to C. So again this tetragonal is changed into two Brave lattices. One is the primitive or simple cubic, sorry, simple. The other one is body. So the tetragonal is changed into two more Brave lattices. So that is simple or primitive, body center. So what are the examples of this one? So that is zircon, chalcopyrite, satellite. So these are about the figure. Zircon, chalcopyrite, satellite are the examples of the this structure of tetragonal. Then coming to other one, monoclinic system. In the monoclinic system, here beta gamma are equal to 90 degrees, but alpha is not equal to 90 degrees. That means only any one of the angle is not equal, but rest of the out of three, two angles are equal, one angle is not equal. So that is about the monoclinic. At the same time, the parameters of A, B, C are not equal. Parameters A, B, C are not equal. Beta gamma are equal to 90 degrees, but alpha is not equal to 90 degrees. So again, this monoclinic is changed into two more characteristics of two Brave, that is simple and centered. So what are the examples of this one? That is gypsum and moonstone. Gypsum and moonstone, these are the minerals. So coming to the fifth one about the triclinic. In triclinic, what are the conditions? The interfacial angles are interaxial angles of alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are not equal to 90 degrees. That means alpha is not equal to beta, beta is not equal to gamma, gamma is not equal to 90 degrees. In the similar way, the parameters of A, B, C, where A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. In the triclinic, the both the parameters of interaxial and interfacial angles are not equal to each other. So they are not equal to 90 degrees and the parameters also not equal to each other. So that's the reason it will be considered as triclinic. So triclinic is having only one structure of Brave lattice. What is the example of the triclinic? That is about the potassium dichromate can be considered as this structure, potassium dichromate. Coming to the sixth one, that is rhombohedral. In the rhombohedral, the parameters of ABs are equal, and similarly alpha, beta, gamma are equal to each other, but they are not equal to 90 degrees. Here parameters are equal to each other, A equal to B, B equal to C, but the interfacial angles concept too, when alpha is equal to beta, beta equal to gamma, but the thing is that they are not equal to 90 degrees. They are not equal to 90 degrees. This is about the orthorhombic system. Orthorhombic system is simplified into one form, that is, what is the example? The example is sodium nitrate. Coming to the last one, hexagonal system. In a hexagonal system, alpha A, the parameters of A and B are equal but not equal to C. A and B are equal but not equal to C. Similarly, the angles of alpha, beta are equal to 90 degrees but gamma not equal to 90. Instead of 90, it is equal to 120 degrees. Alpha and beta are equal to 90 degrees where gamma equal to 120 degrees. So this is about the hexagonal. So what is the example of hexagonal? Beryllium is the example of the hexagonal beryllium. Thank you.